Woo! Y'all gon' make me
Peanut butter up in here, up in here. Ow. We're going to get pine cones because we want to make bird feeders for the bird. I'm glad you got that right. All right, let's go.
With high wind chill.
We're getting up yet? Oh my God, the wind! Where's the bucket?
I can't tell.
Oh my gosh. So we got a bucket of pine cones. These are from the white pine. See the sap? I'm going to show you how to get rid of that. And all the bugs inside too.
We're gonna make pine cone bird feeders.
Pine cone bird feeders.
And we're going to spread butter on it.
Butter?
Yeah. Peanut butter.
Yeah, butter would be slippery. I think we want something sticky like peanut butter, right?
So we're gonna put the peanut butter on the pine cone.
Are we?
With these tools. Then we're gonna put seeds on them.
All right, so I want you to see this. Can people see what we need? All right, so what we did was we took wax paper and we put it in a baking sheet, and we've got a couple pipe cleaners. We've got some bird seed and old unpopped popcorn kernels, some peanut butter, some spreading utensils,
And some pine cones.
and some pine cones.
We're definitely gonna need the pine cones for a pine cone bird feeder.
Right. So I want to tell you about pine cones. So as you can see, this one has chunks of sap all over it, and sometimes they're not open when you get them. I don't have any that aren't open, but this is the way it came off the tree. It's kind of dull. Well, if you're worried about bugs and stuff, if you're going to decorate with pine cones indoors, you're going to want to make sure there's no bugs in them. And what you can do is you can take the pine cones from outside, put them on a lined baking sheet unless you want to throw your baking sheet out. And I would suggest parchment paper or aluminum foil. Put it in a 200-degree oven and leave it in there for about half an hour. Once you take them out, you should let them sit for about an hour before you craft with them or handle them. But then they look like this. See this nice glossy shine? It looks like I shellacked these. This is because the sap melted and distributed all over the pine cone. Now it looks like this pretty glossy little fake pine cone, but I got it from the same tree as this one. And if you look, down here you'll see the pine seeds. So if you're gonna craft with it and give them to anyone, you might want to put it in a bag and shake them up a little bit. They're amazingly durable, but you might want to shake it up just so that people don't have, some people might think that this is a bug. I don't know. Okay. But either way, since these are going outside and they're for the birds aren't gonna care if they're pretty and shiny or if they look natural. And if anything, if I was a bird, I'd prefer the natural look. So you can take string and tie it on here in order to use it for a hanging apparatus. But for ease with the little ones here, I figured we would use
Pipe cleaners.
pipe cleaners. We like pipe cleaners. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a pipe cleaner and we're gonna wrap it about 1 inch from the bottom of the pine cone. You kind of floss into it. Come around. Twists. Oops. You just twist it all in, then you have a nice looking little hanger for your bird feeder. And then you'll be able to take this and wrap this around something. I probably should have started a little closer to the end. Let's use another one. Let's do another one. Oh!
What the heck?
Okay, that's good. Wait, no, stop. Gander this.
It exploded!
Look at that! What is that?
Pine seed pile!
What didn't we do with this one?
It didn't take out the seed!
We didn't bake it or de-seed it. Look at all. I know, Livy, you're dying to get your hands into those, but no.
Look, there's two here.
Do you know what we'll do with this?
What?
Maybe the birds will eat it. Let's put them in here. In our special bird seed
With
mix.
seeds!
All right.
It exploded with seeds.
For the benefit of the people at home and my clean dining room table, this is a stain. This is a stain. This is a stain. Who did this one?
That's the stain.
Who did this one?
That's the stain.
Diggy diggy. All right, so we'll take another one. Wow, what a mess. So you take another. We'll take another pine cone. We're gonna make it a little lower to the end, so we have a longer strap. Let's go here. How about here? What do you
This
think?
time can I do it?
Yeah. Here, let me pull it, and then you can twist it. All right. So see, we got it pulled inside and wrapped around the inside core of the pine cone. These things are surprisingly tough.
Now we're gonna make.
Here, do you want to do the twist?
Uh-huh.
Do the twist.
Can I?
Couple twists. Is it hard with the gloves?
No, just now
It would be hard
going
for
to
me.
do this.
Oh, you wanted a hook on the end?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not going to be really strong, and then when the bird lands, that won't be good. So when we put it on, we'll hook it over and we'll twist it around. What do you think?
Yeah.
Actually, look at this. Since we have hooks out there already,
We can put a circle on it.
a circle, a loop.
Whatever you want to call it.
So far we got a pet pine cone. Here, boy. Come here, boy.
Okay, I get to put them on, right?
You're going to put the bird seed on?
Yeah, and I'm also gonna put the butter seed.
All right, well, next.
Butter seed.
Butter seed. What is butter seed? All right, so next we're going to put the peanut butter on the pine cones.
So, can I do this?
I want
Pick your tool. What weapon? Choose your weapon.
I was going to choose
a red one, but I'm gonna choose the green one now.
Now the reason why they have gloves on is so they don't have to feel the nasty sticky peanut butter, but I'm hoping that this goes a little more neatly than I expect.
I'm hoping so too.
Then we're gonna be tough. Right, Vin?
If you don't have peanut butter and you have some lard laying around or even honey, you can put that on your pine cone and roll that in bird seed also to make a bird feeder. All right, I'll hold it, you scoop it.
Peanut butter.
Now you want to apply your peanut butter. Yep, push back this way, like this. Watch. Let me just show our viewers. When you put your peanut butter in, you want to go against the grain of the scales of the pine cone and pack it in there.
Can I do it too?
You can do it. So see that? Here you go.
Okay, so hold this. Hold this.
It's all peanut buttered.
Okay, so
It's gonna be even
here, hold it super tight.
I am.
Scoop.
I'm gonna fling it in my face. Let me easy.
That was not what you expected, Mom.
All right. Smear it on there.
There.
All right, that's good. All right, let's put it down for a minute. And that one's awaiting step 2. Let's go over to Vince. Okay, Vince, which one? Did you want to still use the red one? You can.
Okay. So,
I'll hold your pine cone for you. All right, avoid the mom.
and after that, we're gonna put the bird seed on.
Yes, we are.
I wish I could eat the peanut butter.
I hope the birds will eat the peanut butter.
The birds will eat the peanut butter, but the peanut butter will also help the bird seed to adhere to the pine cone. What does adhere mean?
It means stick.
It means stick.
Accidentally got.
The peanut butter becomes the adhesive. Get a big scoop. Yep. Spread it all around so it's nice and smooth. So you get it in all of the pieces of the pine cone are called scales. Nice job. The get this sticky, the more bird seed we can fit to it. Stick to it. So just smooth that in. Yep, in all these scales. See this up here?
How the birds will love our bird feeder present.
Yeah, they're gonna peck away. Good job. We're gonna get some peanut butter up in here, up in here. Ow. Olivia has sharp killer elbows and she knows it.
You just
Ow, they're small, so they're like little hot stickers.
and Mom,
All peanut butter.
And pine cones are made out of peanut butter.
All right, there's one. There's the other one. Let me just smooth out Livy's.
And,
I'm gonna wash my hands.
and we're gonna go outside.
No, we're not. That's a boring meal. What do they need?
Bird
They
seed.
need bird seed. Let me wash my hands and get a bowl. I'll be right back. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is get the bird seed onto the pine cones. This is, I love these, I think they're Pyrex baking dishes / storage dishes. I love them. You'll see in my baked brie video that I used it for that decadent gem. But anyway, we've got some bird seed. So we're going to pour our bird seed into a shallowish yet small dish so that it doesn't spread all over.
Hey, there's some pine seeds.
Yeah, we put the rest of the pine seeds in here because I bet you the birds like them.
And we're going to
Now,
flatten it down.
yep. Now, the next thing we're going to do,
Is get our pine cones.
go ahead. Yep, go ahead. Just pick it up and flip it over
Wiggle it.
and wiggle it. You want to try? Here, we'll put this over here so if we make a mess, it's no big deal.
I'll stick to doing this.
Okay. Good job.
It's all seated in.
And you know what? We'll give it a little pat. Now we'll turn it. Give it a pat. Let's try a little bit more on this side. Great job. Terrific.
She's insisted on doing this. Just
Get
like
close,
me.
Dad. That's good, Livs.
One more little spot.
Let's flip it and make sure. Nope, it looks terrific.
No, I just need a...
Oh look, there is some sticky.
Hit me. Daddy, can you get us a Ziploc, please? So in order for them to transport them outside, I'm taking a Ziploc bag. I'm flipping the top. You could take a paper bag also and flip the top if you'd like, or just carry it with your bare hands and wash your hands when you come in. But this way she can carry it easily without any mess. Livy, please don't play with it. Okay. We're going to take it outside, okay? All right, let's let Vincent adorn his pinecone bird feeder. Here's a spoon if you need it. Look at it. That's a good technique. The roll technique.
That's what I would have done if I were you.
Whoa. It was good to put it on the cookie sheet. Definitely put your container on top of the cookie sheet if you're doing it with someone other than yourself.
Okay. It was sticking to me.
A little.
Because I had
Oh, there's the peanut. Well, that's okay. It's all edible. You could eat this if you had to. Not bad.
If it was all you got to eat.
If that was all you got to eat, we'd make a porridge out of it.
A birdseed porridge.
Birdseed porridge.
Made especially for the birds, but we're going to eat it.
Yep. How you doing? Good? All right, let's get bundled up and run outside real quick and hang these things.
Yeah.
Let's see how that comes. Wait.
More spots. Ah.
Wait, Livy, you gotta go get socks on. Go get socks on while you're waiting.
Okay, we just need socks, right?
Yeah, we'll do socks and jackets. You don't need gloves or anything.
Keep sitting. I just keep sitting. Dun 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 dun. As long as you just keep swimming.
Boy, that looks delicious. It almost looks like a granola bar.
From Cliff Kids.
Look at this one. Nom noms. Smell it.
It smells like it's a buffet made of peanut butter.
A bird buffet. All right, go get some socks on. We're going to get outside for a few.
Okay, I have shorts on.
You have shorts on. Are you going to risk it and go outside with shorts on?
Yes.
Okay.
So,
I got the bag. Whoa, look at it. Yay. Here, let's do two here. We'll do one there. Good job. Get her face. Livy, come here. Oh, okay. Go ahead. She's cold.
Oh,
It's hot out today, man. It's like 30.
Look, I'm cold right here.
Where's yours? Are you? You're the one dressed like Christopher Robin. Jump. Here, I'll take your bag. Alright, good job. Don't wipe it in my hair. Nice job. Good, Dad. Nice, good job. Do we do a family five?
family five.
That's a peanut butter family five. Wait. No. We'll do family five with us. Family five. High five, Daddy. So that's a fun craft you can do with the kids right now, especially now that springtime's going to happen and we're going to have some birds that are going to need a little extra energy. Pine cone, peanut butter, birdseed. Or chicken feed, if for that matter, if you don't have any bird seed. I have spring fever, can't you tell? Bye guys. With love from Noble Homestead.